Imagine a small Indian apparel business reaching buyers in New York or Paris with just a click. This is the power of digital platforms like Alibaba and Trade India, transforming visibility for SMEs globally. These platforms offer more than just a showcase. They enable real-time communication, order tracking, and sample approvals, bridging the gap between continents and boosting buyer confidence. Global buyers demand global standards. Indian SMEs are stepping up with certifications like ISO 9001 and RAP, ensuring ethical practices and product consistency.
These certifications aren't mere formalities. They are passports to high-value clients, signaling a commitment to quality and safety, essential for global market entry.
Scalability challenges are real, but Indian SMEs are overcoming them through collaborative ecosystems. Co-manufacturing alliances and shared logistics are unlocking economies of scale. By working smarter, not harder, SMEs are transforming from local players to global contenders, leveraging joint marketing and group certifications for growth.
Groyo Consulting is at the forefront, helping SMEs digitize operations and ensure compliance. Their support builds collaborative ecosystems for sustainable growth.
When small factories dream big and act smart, the world takes notice. Success stories aren't reserved for the giants of the industry. Today, the global apparel ecosystem is being reshaped by emerging factories that think beyond their scale, invest in people and processes, and deliver with consistency and integrity. Because in the world of manufacturing, it's not about how big you start, it's about how smartly you move forward.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.